Every election cannot be the same as what it was 5 years ago. The challenges are different, the issues are different, and of course this is a very important historical parliamentary election in our country. And the issues are not what they were in 2019. It is completely different issues, completely different objective, and people also have a different understanding and what they want for this country as compared to 2019.
So would you say this is a tough fight for you? 1984 से MIM के पास ये सीट है. Do you think that this is going to be a tough fight for you? That everything has changed.
देखिए, इलेक्शन जो होता है ना, चाहे किसी से भी मुकाबला हो, उसको सीरियसली आपको लेना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू टेक एवरी इलेक्शन सीरियसली, वेदर इट्स अ म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन, पंचायत इलेक्शन, जिला परिषद, असेंबली, पार्लियामेंट. Election is election. You know, you don't have this comfort of even blinking. So you'll have to take your every opponent, whether it is X, Y, Z, whatever it is, and then work hard, which we have done, and which has always helped us in winning this seat. And hopefully around this time also, I'm sure that with the blessings of people and faith in Almighty Allah, we will be successful and will win with the same majority. The message would be, people would be people who do not agree with the BJP's ideology, people who do not agree with the venomous statements that the Prime Minister has given about one particular minority community and non-performance of his government. And please understand that. Please understand one important thing. What Mr. Modi had done with Agniveer, he is now going to go ahead and do it if he comes back in power with BSF, with CRPF, with Railway Protection Force and SSB. 4 years of service, you are out. Because if he has done this for the army, he will definitely do it for CRPF, SSB, BSF, and all paramilitary forces, and along with RPF. So this people must understand. It has not come out. It will come out very soon.
आपको क्या लगता है कि माधुरी लता कितना बड़ा कॉम्पिटिटर है इसका?
क्या है, किन मुद्दों पर लोगों को निकलकर वोट करना चाहिए? काफी हमने देखा, काफी आरोप प्रत्यारोप लगते रहे, काफी क्रिमिनल भी हुआ है.
नहीं, सबसे अहम बात यह है कि अगर आपको भारत की जमहूरियत में, लोकतंत्र में भरोसा है और आप भारत से मोहब्बत करते हैं और आप भारत को ताकतवर रूप में देखना चाहते हैं, आप भारत को ऐसा मुल्क देखना चाहते हैं जहां पर गरीबों की, मजलूमों की आवाज सुनी जाए और गरीबों के से इंसाफ हो, नौजवानों को रोजगार मिले, आप सब लोग, आपके दिलों में एक सेफ्टी का एहसास पैदा हो जाए, तो अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल करें.
Madhuri Lata calls herself the face of Hindutva. What would you call yourself?
I am the face of Indian nationalism.
Sir, the five national issues you're seeking vote for today.
I've already said it, but I don't want to get into this trap of appealing for vote on the day of polling when the campaigning.
What are your five national issues, sir?
No, there are many issues. See, what I feel, the people of India should understand, especially the youth, the Narendra Modi government has done what they have done with the Indian Army recruitment with Agniveer. They will definitely, if Mr. Modi comes back in power, he will replicate the same scheme for CRPF, SSB, Railway Protection Force, BSF. Because if that is done for the army, which goes and stands at the borders and protect the country and us and the Indian citizens, he will definitely do this, because 4 years service, you are out.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.